History isn't just a series of events, it's a tale of human ingenuity, filled with stories of brilliant minds solving seemingly impossible problems with tools and resources that seem primitive by modern standards. Yet, some ancient discoveries and engineering feats challenge everything we think we know about the capabilities of early civilizations. From a 2,000-year-old analog computer that mapped the stars with mind-boggling precision to a construction material that remains stronger and more durable than anything we can make today, these forgotten innovations reveal ancient cultures that were far ahead of their time. What did they know that we don't? What have we lost to history? And what secrets might these discoveries hold for solving the problems of today? Join us as we uncover the most astonishing engineering marvels of the ancient world, challenge conventional narratives, and explore the boundless potential of human creativity. Chapter 1. The Antikythera Mechanism. A computer from the ancient world. In 1901, sponge divers off the coast of Antikythera, Greece, stumbled upon a shipwreck that contained a treasure trove of artifacts. Among them was a corroded lump of bronze that seemed unimpressive, until decades of study revealed it to be the most sophisticated piece of technology from the ancient world. Known as the Antikythera Mechanism, this ancient Greek invention is a 2,000-year-old analog computer designed to track the movements of celestial bodies. Using a complex system of interlocking gears, it could predict solar and lunar eclipses, the phases of the moon, and even the timing of the Olympic Games. Modern X-ray analysis has uncovered inscriptions that suggest the mechanism could also predict planetary positions with incredible accuracy. What's astonishing is the craftsmanship. Its gears are so precise that even with today's advanced tools, replicating it is a challenge. Who built it, and why was such knowledge lost after the fall of the Greek civilization? These questions remind us that history is often a tale of rediscovery. Chapter 2. Roman concrete. The eternal material, Rome wasn't built in a day, and it certainly wasn't built to crumble. Structures like the Colosseum and the Pantheon have stood for nearly 2,000 years, defying the elements and outlasting modern concrete structures. Roman concrete, or opus caementicium, was revolutionary for its time. Unlike modern concrete, which tends to crack and deteriorate over decades, Roman concrete seems to get stronger with age. Its secret lies in its unique composition, a blend of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. When exposed to water, this mix triggers chemical reactions that fill cracks and fortify the structure over time. Today, scientists are studying Roman concrete to develop more durable and eco-friendly materials. Imagine a future where buildings can repair themselves, reducing the need for constant maintenance and conserving resources. The Romans may have laid the foundation for a sustainable construction revolution if we can only learn to replicate their techniques. Chapter 3. The Great Pyramid of Giza. Precision beyond comprehension. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still standing, a testament to the ingenuity and determination of ancient Egyptian engineers. But it's not just its size that amazes us, it's the precision. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points of the compass, a feat so precise that it deviates by less than 0.05 degrees. Its base forms an almost perfect square, and the stones, some weighing up to 80 tons, are transported and fitted with such accuracy that a piece of paper cannot fit between them. The construction methods remain a mystery. Did they use a straight ramp, a spiral ramp, or something else entirely? How did they manage to quarry, transport, and position such massive stones without advanced machinery? Beyond its physical structure, the pyramid's purpose is another puzzle. Was it merely a tomb, or did it serve some astronomical or spiritual function? These questions continue to spark debate and inspire new theories, reminding us of the incredible knowledge and skill of the ancient Egyptians. Chapter 4. The Power of Observation. Ancient Calendars. The timekeepers of the past. Long before the invention of telescopes, ancient civilizations had already developed an astonishing understanding of celestial cycles. The Mayan calendar, for instance, was not just a tool for marking time, it was a sophisticated system that accurately predicted solar and lunar cycles, eclipses, and even the motions of Venus. Similarly, the Aztec sun stone, often mistaken for a simple carving, is a complex cosmological map. These calendars were more than practical tools, they were deeply connected to religion, agriculture, and governance, showing how ancient cultures harmonized science with spirituality. Water management, engineering for survival. Water has always been a critical resource, and ancient civilizations developed ingenious methods to manage it. The Khanats of Persia, for example, are underground aqueducts that transported water over vast distances in arid regions. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban cultures, created cities with advanced drainage systems, wells, and reservoirs. Their planning ensured access to clean water and prevented flooding, a level of sophistication that some modern cities struggle to achieve. These innovations remind us that sustainability isn't a modern concept, it's a lesson from the past. The lost cities, urban wonders of antiquity. From the meticulously planned streets of Mohenjo-Daro to the cliffside dwellings of Mesa Verde, lost cities reveal the ingenuity of ancient urban planners. These civilizations balance aesthetics with functionality, creating spaces that were not only beautiful but also sustainable and efficient. What can we learn from these lost cities? Perhaps their principles of design and resource management hold answers to some of the challenges we face today. Chapter 5. Unveiling Mysteries. The Baghdad Battery and Ancient Spark. The Baghdad Battery is a 2,000-year-old artifact that may have been used to generate electricity. While skeptics argue it was merely a storage jar, others suggest it could have powered simple electroplating processes. If true, this discovery challenges our understanding of ancient technology, proving that civilizations may have experimented with concepts far ahead of their time. The Nazca Lines, messages to the sky. Stretching across the Peruvian desert, the Nazca Lines form massive shapes, spiders, birds, and geometric patterns visible only from the air. How did the Nazca people create these colossal designs without aerial perspectives? Some researchers believe they were used for astronomical purposes, while others suggest they had religious or ceremonial significance. Whatever their purpose, they reveal an extraordinary level of planning and creativity. The pyramids of the Americas, monuments of mystery. In Mesoamerica, the pyramids of Teotihuacan and Chichen Itza rival their Egyptian counterparts in scale and complexity. These structures were not just architectural marvels, they were aligned with celestial events, serving as calendars and ceremonial centers. The construction techniques used, including the precision of their stonework and the complexity of their layouts, challenge the notion that ancient American civilizations were technologically inferior to their old world counterparts. Chapter 6. Beyond the conventional narrative. Challenging traditional narratives. For centuries, history has been written from a narrow perspective, often underestimating the capabilities of ancient civilizations. Discoveries like the Antikythera Mechanism and the Baghdad Battery force us to reconsider these assumptions. What if our ancestors were far more advanced than we ever imagined? Ancient societies didn't just survive, they thrived, solving complex problems with innovative solutions that rival and sometimes surpass modern technology. The potential of lost knowledge. What if the key to solving today's challenges lies buried in the past? Ronin concrete could revolutionize construction, ancient water management systems could address droughts, and long-lost technologies might hold the answers to sustainable energy and materials. Instead of dismissing ancient knowledge as outdated, we should view it as a treasure trove of ideas waiting to be rediscovered and adapted. The future of research. Peering into the past with modern tools. The study of ancient technologies is entering a new era thanks to advancements in science and technology. From satellite imagery that reveals hidden cities to AI algorithms that analyze ancient texts, we're uncovering secrets that have been buried for millennia. Organizations around the world are dedicating resources to understanding and preserving ancient innovations. Who knows what discoveries await us in the coming decades? The potential is limitless, and each new find brings us closer to understanding the brilliance of our ancestors. History is more than a record of the past. It's a mirror reflecting the endless potential of human ingenuity. As we uncover these forgotten engineering marvels, we're not just learning about ancient civilizations, we're gaining insights that can inspire us to build a better future. These innovations remind us of the interconnectedness of all human progress, proving that the achievements of the past are stepping stones to the breakthroughs of tomorrow. So let's stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the hidden wonders of history. The past has much to teach us if we're willing to listen.